Hello guys, welcome back to Good Show Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to upgrade Windows 11 from 10 and how to do this very easily. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is I'll be providing a link in the description where you can download a file which you have to download, which is around 4.5 GB. And the reason why I have given this is like I have not given Mediafire and some other things because it is not working properly, and even the Google Drive sometimes having the issue. So that's why I have given this. So you have to download, you have to click over here on the free download over here. Now this will redirect you to some of the ads, but even you just have to close it, and you just have to close it once again and click on free download, and you just have to close the ads. Whenever the time it is popping the ads, you just have to close it. And now we have reached it over here, and from here what you have to do is just have to, whenever the ads are popping up in between, you just have to close it. Okay, and this works really good, and this when download it works really fast, and you have to tick I am not a robot over here, and it works literally fine, and you just have to wait for until around 10 seconds this is going to work. So you just have to wait for it, and once after that just follow my instructions and click download here. There is a quick download link, so you just have to, as you can see, it is getting redirected to many ads. So you just have to click over here and now click here to download. So just some apps, so you just have to close it. Whenever the apps are coming in between, you don't have to get panicked, you just have to close it. Okay, you just have to close it and click here to download. And here one more ad is popping up in between. Let me click once again. And as you can see that now it is being successfully getting downloaded. So it is around 4 point some GB. So you just have to you just have to wait for complete download, and I'll be giving you the next instructions one hereafter. So guys, once the file is being successfully downloaded, you just have to follow the instruction, and as you can see that the file is here. So you just have to right click and you have to click on mount option at the top. Okay, now from here what you have to do is scroll down and click on setup. Now go for yes, and as you can see that this is getting prepared. So now what you have to do is just have to tick this, which is very important, and once after that go for next and just wait for here. Now as you can see that you just have to tap on accept. So guys, now from here you just have to click on change what to keep, and from here you just have to select which one you wanted to keep. As you can see that I have selected keep personal files and apps, so this is important. And once after that you just have to tap on next. Now you just have to wait for a few minutes, so just wait for it. So guys, now you just have to tap on install. Now as you can see that it is getting installed. So between the process the PC will get restarted several times, and this might take a while, so you just have to wait for it. So guys, now as you can see that we have successfully installed Windows 11 from Windows 10, and this is what it's all about it. And if you go at over there at the settings icon over there, now we're gonna show you on the update and security. We have to select over here, and from here as you can see that So on the activation key, as you can see that it is Windows 11, as you can see that over there. So which means we have successfully installed Windows 11 from Windows 10, and the window is activated using your organization's activation services. And this is what it's all about when it comes to how to update. So over there, which is written Windows activated using your organization activation means which is all good, and there is no issue on using the Windows, and it is activated altogether. And so that's what it's all about it. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. One more thing I would like to make you notice on the download link which we have given over there, because this is going to work really good comparing with the others one in our experiences, and there are some apps popping up in between, so all you have to do is just cancel it up as I mentioned. So I hope this video is helpful once again, guys, and if you have any doubts, to ask in the comment section, so we and our technical team will get back to you. And this is Shahin. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.